In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an MP4 video with audio during screen sharing on Google Meet. This guide will help you seamlessly share your media content with audio, all while using Google Meet's screen sharing feature. Whether you're conducting a virtual meeting, teaching a class online, or simply catching up with friends or family, knowing how to share your screen effectively can make all the difference. Let's jump right in to make this process easy and straightforward. First, head over to Google Meet. You can find this by typing Google Meet into your web browser, or simply follow the direct link if you have one bookmarked. Once the page is loaded, look for the Sign In button, which is typically at the top right corner, and click on it. You'll need to sign into your Google account to proceed. If you don't have one, setting up a Google account is free and only takes a couple of minutes. Next, enter your Google account credentials. This means typing in your email address and password. Ensure your details are correct before clicking Next to proceed. Once you're successfully signed in, it's time to set up your meeting. Right on the main Google Meet page, you'll see an option for New Meeting. Click on it to explore different options for starting your meeting. You might notice choices like scheduling a meeting for later or creating a meeting for others to join. However, if you're looking to share your MP4 video immediately, opt for Start an Instant Meeting. This is the quickest way to get started right away. These meetings are secure and designed to facilitate seamless communication and presentation. Once your meeting is live, it's time to share your screen. Look for the Share Screen option at the bottom toolbar of Google Meet. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose what you'd like to share: your entire screen, a single window, or a specific tab in your browser. If your MP4 video is open in a specific browser tab, choose that option. This way, you ensure the audio from the video plays clearly for everyone in the meeting. You may encounter a prompt asking for permission to share your screen. Simply click on Show My Screen Anyway to proceed. This step is crucial for the video and audio to be shared effectively. Now, as your video plays, your audience will not only see but hear everything as though they are in the room with you. You've just learned how to share an MP4 video with sound during a Google Meet session, enhancing your virtual meeting experience. Feel free to experiment and practice, making your way to becoming a pro at virtual presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy screen sharing.